Review and follow precautions. Press the power button to put the server in standby. Disconnect the power cord from the server. Remove the access panel. Remove the fan cage. Disconnect the battery cable from system board. Pull back on the battery retaining latch and lift the battery up and out of the chassis. With the power cable facing the rear of the server, tow the battery into the slot on the chassis pan. Pull back on the retaining latch and lower the battery into place. Connect the battery cable to the system board.